Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ask Me How. Today I will tell you how to check fine in Emirates ID from the MOI app. First we need to go to the download Play Store. From the Play Store, not in Google, Play Store, check MOI app, Ministry of Interior. Yeah, this is the app. Download app from Play Store. Then register. You need to register the app from UAE Pass. You also need UAE Pass. You have all the connections with UAE Pass with the other app. To log in this app, you need to connect with UAE Pass first. Press on login. Now it will direct to the UAE Pass login section. If you already have UAE Pass, sign in on it. If you don't have, you need to sign up. I will log in first to the UAE Pass application. For the confirmation, they will ask 4-digit code. Confirm from here, then put your 4-digit code. Then you are inside the UAE Pass. This is connecting with MOI. Now MOI app will open. Yeah, the app is open and it's showing 395 fine. Some fines we can see it in the front page. When you open the MOI, we can see it, but some are hidden inside the Emirates ID. You need to check from here. Wait for a while, I will show you how to check the fine in Emirates ID. The fine showing is here is now 395. It will increase if we don't pay. Now click on here, traffic fine payment. Okay, it will direct to the another page. From here you can check here Emirates ID. Click on the Emirates ID. If you click on Emirates ID, it will show you option to give your Emirates ID details. Now write your Emirates ID details here and click on view fines. Now you can see two numbers of fines. Before on the home page you see only one. Now it's showing two fines. One is 200 and another is 395. You can also pay your fine from this app directly. You don't need to go anywhere. Just click on pay. When you click on pay, it will show you payment gateway, how to pay. They will give you the option. Now the payment option is opening. Now we have the option to pay MOI fine, total 595 and 3 dirham is service charge. Now click on pay. When you click on pay, it will show you option credit card, debit card, and other payment method is Google Pay. From there also you can pay. Now I will add my debit card. Okay, there is a card option to give your card details, card order name, card number, and 3-digit secret pin, and here expiry month and card expiry year. Then click on pay. After click on pay, they will send OTP from your bank for the confirmation. Then it will pay automatically. Now I will not pay. I will pay it later and I will make video of it. This fine I got due to riding bicycle on pedestrian walking area. So guys, be careful, don't ride bicycle while crossing the road and the signal. Just cross by walking with bicycle or scooters also. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.